Koi sida lai ba koi dada koi ko yam du ba ngasi Friday se moi weekend se Friday ke Saturday ko oi ba adu ngasi se koi pula family outing chat ka doine just aji outing hai se ya budi ya de do ga so drive ko machat ko khot pa mai na di ai gari ma pham da kham ga visiting sites ko ma din lai ki lai adu gum ba de do ra so ya ba ma pham yeng ga chat ka doine sisna inam ma to pane ma na ngasi koi purnima gi sagom kher tawe Ingagi Purnima ne ngasi se igi naman ne si nama Mayam hi sisna imay mo inu naman na care ka pa ro se
Jinglen
nang sila live no ngai ro kyam ko ye live ba
jahi mga
11 years.
Ayan
11 years ro ba oh my god Nasage live tha bane ado live thara ga hojik mafam akhoine lakma mafam si yaure ado live ta Instagram da mayam sai participate to biba ko game ama sanaram bane ado game yauram ba mi khuding ma pu thaga chari akhoi hojik mafam se lak bane dur ga mayam go warisna sana lak pani na yoba khangau dare ado thaga chari mayam mafam se yaure ado hojik ai ge live ta yengbi ba pumna mak YouTube to ne yengbi ro ko hojik loi sala ge mafam se ado thank you so much everyone yam nungai jare lam phaja ba mayam ama su ningsang hanbire khoida ado makata badi blog to ni yenga se ko bye thank you safe thank you bye bye
Thank you khurakjari ba
Hi nama This is not Dada Roshan. Hi. Koi na mga say care ho na madu sila ire. This na koi gi Miss. Say
Hi
what's your name?
Hi
So can you do something here like something special? Can you sing or dance? Yes. Okay, we're gonna perform. Okay, very soon. Right? Yes. Yeah, she said yes. That she need to keep the promise. Yeah. I'm coming. Hi, bra. Koi ka na tholak sa mapada. Bra. Yeah. Okay, now you have to sing here. Start. What are you gonna sing today?
Perfect
Yeah, perfect. Lava.
Oh, perfect for me Wow Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a woman stronger than anybody I need.
You never knew you are someone waiting for me.
We were just kids when we fall in love. So.
Just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own.
And in your
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark.
Adone.
Dada Doha lay ba chahiya sureba.
I 12 plus years.
Wow. ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯦꯗꯥꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ
ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯩꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯆꯠꯅꯤꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦ
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ
ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯀꯨꯂꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯉꯥꯏ ꯁꯤꯃꯛꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯂꯥꯃꯤꯛ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯣꯗꯔꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ
ꯑꯣꯀꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯎꯗꯤꯒꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯔꯨꯜꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯔꯦꯒꯨꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯕ
ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ
ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛꯁꯨ
ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯕ
ꯅꯠꯇꯕ
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯖꯟꯕꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ
ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯑꯦꯁ ꯂꯣꯡ ꯑꯦꯁ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯖꯟꯗ ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯈꯩ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯦꯁꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯤꯁꯐꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯏ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯑꯗꯨꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯂꯩꯕꯗ
ꯑꯣꯚꯔꯑꯣꯜ
ꯑꯗꯨꯝ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ
ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯩ ꯐꯩ
ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯂꯩꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅꯤ
ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯒꯦ ꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯋꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ
ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯀꯜꯂꯨ ꯋꯥꯕ ꯈꯥꯡꯕ ꯀꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯤꯟ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖꯇꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯔꯦ
ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯔꯦ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯌꯨꯛ ꯅꯨꯡꯊꯤꯟꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ 6ꯒ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯠ 13 ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯟꯁꯦꯠ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ 2 ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯠꯇ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯪꯈꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯖꯔ ꯂꯥꯎꯅ ꯌꯦꯔꯨꯝ ꯃꯨꯠ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯩꯕꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ
ꯈꯪꯗꯦ
ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯁꯨ ꯅꯪ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯇꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯖꯥꯡ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯆꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯃꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ COVID-19ꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ
ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯛꯁ ꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯈꯨꯠ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯝꯃꯨ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ 20 seconds aduga sanitizer kapu makhud hamanai leitaradi sanitizer kapu aduga kaino khangdare
nang school chattabase nangonda kari feel tauge
ai si na kaino COVID-19 haurai ganda na school chatningte aduga hujikna school chatningai khangde kaino school chatning.
Wow, that's great. Adidi mi loina mangne haidi noi papa su even papa budi thabak chale ko khoi mayam su thabak chatningam de hojikti COVID-19 hor kanda khoi ju thabak chatninge ba sina haibede khoi je granted logo no haiba natra miss to bra nang school gi mi mayam se ko ado
my friend makai
miss to ba okay noi ge school da na lari khoi de ge haiba mi kanano nangi class ta
khoi class topper se third laya ba adada
second na kanano
first hai aigi subject ta topper laya ba maths ta na akoi first ta na Aaron haida malaya ba second ta na ai
okay aduga khwaidagi week oibidi khangbra nangi class ta
week oibadi oye khala
layeba ko adu moi se nangi wakal da sum khanjara kaidauraga moi se improve tawrakani pharakani kaina ga khanba leibra khangbra hairadi khangadi hairo khara moi se kamain torga lai hai haninge
sikhan ai akai class school gi leader ne ba aduna
nang se
atoi ti ai kaino tauke moi da hai di moi gi kaino free period ma khai da moi se lairek tak pi raga kaino tauba
okay nang no free period sa nang na takpi ba ko okay adu moi da haigal lakbra moi da help adum moi da helpful oibra
au khara oi khara
okay adu ragadi makoi myam se adum matam sangba matam da free matam da laik pairaga so hen higalakani natra okay that's good aduga ngasagi angang larik takpasa adum nang na kauraga takpra moina masana lakjabra natraga school gi nogi teacher sing na haibra
moi gi hai free period ma khai da ne ba tawre do aduna hai ti mana help pamadi ai changi natraga na manak aingonda adum kaujara eba natraga na masi kainom hai kainom khangdara dinya ai manak adum la eba natraga na akoi mam na ngatang khara so hai.
Nangi class ta karam-karamba atopa mi yauge Manipuri de nang natomdara.
Oh, Manipuri ay
Atop-
hata.
Ado di nang kamay na makoy ma'am do karamba language kano communicate toge.
English atay periods, most of the periods study English ta communicate tawi aduga Hindi period ka na ina hindi na lungang
Okay, aduka nakoy school da Arabic ti tambro.
tame ay di tam de
Arabic nang tamde. What's your most favorite subject?
ay na pamjaba subject si art,
Art ne ba ka? Okay, nang kari nahayeng chawra ka kari o yene khange.
science teacher.
Science teacher
Be careful
of what?
of COVID-19.
Of COVID-19. Okay. And what do you do on your free time?
Free time, I paint, I draw, I play with my brother,
Okay.
or I watch TV sometimes.
What's your brother favorite subject?
My brother's favorite subject is maths.
Maths. Oh,
He's
that's
a topper in maths.
wow. That's great.
First
Okay,
in
I
maths.
hope you can sing, right? Okay, I think you can sing Spanish Latina also.
No.
You can sing Despacito. No? Okay, what can you sing? You have to sing one. Let's show your talent to the people.
Okay, I'll sing Girls Like You.
Yes.
Spend 24 hours, I need more hours with you. We spent the weekend getting even, ooh. We spent the daylight trying to make things right between us. Now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and pay me close. 'Cause girls like you walk on guys like me till sundown. When I come true, I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah, girls like you love fun. Yeah, me too. What I want when I come true, I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. Spent last night on the last flight to you. Took a whole day up, trying to get way up, ooh. We spent the day like trying to make things right between us. 'Cause now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and play me close. 'Cause girls like you are guys like me till sundown. When I come true, I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah, girls like you love fun. Yeah, me too. What I want when I come through, I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah.
Good. Thank you. Let's clap a big hand for everyone. Nice.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.